So let us find the values of x and y. Okay, so now 2y plus 3j, right, which is equal
Yes, sir.
to xi plus yj.
Why?
So this implies that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, right?
Yes.
So let us find the sum of this. So this would be a plus b plus c, right? So taking I components, the coefficients of I, okay,
Yes.
and that will be 1 minus 2 plus 1, okay, plus we'll have j, that is with respect to j, minus 2 plus 4 minus 6, okay, and we'll have k, that is 1 plus 5 minus 7 into k, right? So we got I and j and k. So let us compute it. So you get 0i, okay, and this will be minus 4j, and this will be okay. So this would be minus 4j and minus k, right? So let us find the unit vector, which is uh, given as I plus j plus 2k. Okay. So first let us find the mod of this. So that would be square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, which is equal to root 6. And a cap would be, that is a by mod a, right? So that would be I plus j plus 2k, right, divided by root 6. Or again, we can write this as 1 by root 6 I plus 1 by root 6 j and 2 by root 6. Okay, so let us solve this. So first, let us find PQ. So PQ will be the position vector of Q minus the position vector of P. So that is 4 minus 1 into I plus 5 minus 2 into J plus 6 minus 3 into K. So this will result to as 3I plus 3J plus 3K. So PQ mod of this, magnitude of this would be square root of 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square, or we can write as 3 root 3. And so unit vector would be PQ by mod PQ, right? So
Yes, sir.
so this is 1 by root 3I plus 1 by root 3j plus 1 by root 3k. Okay. Okay. Let us find
Yes,
the
sir.
projection. So let us put A as I minus j. Okay. And let us put B as I plus j. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find the projection of A on B. A on B, right? that is A dot B, right,
Yes, sir.
by mod B. Okay, so A dot B, which is 1 uh, multiplied into 1 again, right,
Yes, sir.
and plus minus 1 into 1, A dot B, and mod of B would be square of square root of 1 square plus 1 square. So this would result to as 1 and 1 minus 1. So this will be 0. The position is 0. So let us find A and B. Okay. So A plus B dot A minus B. So which is equal to 8, right? So this we can write as A dot A minus A dot B minus and minus this is plus, sorry, B dot A, okay, and minus B dot B, okay, which is equal to 8. Okay, so again this we can write as mod A whole square minus mod B whole square, okay, which is equal to 8. Now mod A whole square we can write as 8 mod B its whole square minus mod B whole square, right, which is 8. Okay, this is 64 mod B whole square minus mod B whole square, which is 8. Okay, so from this we get that as 63, right? 64 minus 1, which is 63, or mod B, if you write it, square as 8 by 63. Or again, if you simplify further, you get this as mod B as 2 root 2 by root 63. So we got what is mod B. Okay, so A will be 8 multiplied into 2 root 2 by root 63, or this will be 16 root 2 by 63. 63 again we can write as 3 root 7. Okay, so let us solve this. Now here we'll consider theta be angle between A and B. Okay, and okay, so first is mod A is equal to mod B, right? Having the same magnitude, and uh, A dot B is equal to product is 1 by 2, and we have been given as theta, which is 60. So therefore this will be half, okay, which is mod A mod B, right, cos theta which is 60 degrees. Now again we can write this as since mod A is equal to mod B, so this will be mod A whole square. Cos 60 is half, so this implies that mod A whole square is 1, or write this as mod A is equal to 1, and also mod B is equal to 1. That's it. Let us show this. These points A, B, and C are collinear. Okay. So first is AB, right? That is a position vector B minus the position vector A, right? So we get this as 2 minus 1 into I plus 6 minus 2 into J, and then 3 minus 7 into K, right? So we get this as I plus 4J minus 4K. Okay. Now let us find what is BC.
Okay.
Again, position vector of C minus a position vector of B. So which is 3 minus 2y plus 10 minus 6j plus minus 1 minus 3k, which is equal to I plus 4j minus 4k, right? So the last one would be A minus C. Yeah, that is AC. So OC minus OA. So that would be minus 3 minus 1 into I plus 10 minus 2 into J, and minus 1 minus 7 into K, right? So this would be 2I plus 8J minus 8K, right? So let us find the magnitude of AB, right? So this you get as 1 square plus 4 square plus 4 square, right? So would be results as root 33. Okay. Now BC, tell me.
One,
Yeah,
1 square, 4 square, 4 square,
yes. Again, this will be,
33.
yeah. And
Hmm.
the last one, AC,
See, 2 square,
2 square, 8
8 square,
square, and 8 square,
8.
right? So this will result to 2 root 33. Okay. So hence we got as AC is equal to AB plus BC, right?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, the points are collinear, right?
Yes, sir.
So got that result. So let us find it. First, let us find is what is A cross B. So A cross B, which is I, J, K, right? So this is 1 minus 7 and 7.
One,
B will be
3,
3
3,
minus 2 and 2, right?
2.
Okay, so I multiplied. This is minus 14, right? And
Yes, sir.
plus 14. And minus j. Huh, tell me. 2 minus 21,
Six,
right?
21. Yes, sir.
Plus k
21.
minus 2 and plus 21. So this the first part will go corresponding to I, and you'll be left with 19j and 19k, right? Now the determinant of this, oh sorry, mod of this. So which is 19 square and 19 square, which is 19 root 2. So let us find the unit vector. Yeah. Okay. So A plus B will add up. So that is 3i plus 2j plus 2k plus I plus 2j minus 2, right? So this would be uh, 4i plus 4j, because 2k plus 2k and minus 2k, since it is opposite sign, that get cancelled. So let us find what is a minus b. Okay, so again 3i plus 2j plus 2k minus I plus 2j minus 2. So after simplifying it, you will get this as 2i, and again here plus 2j and minus 2j get cancelled because opposite signs, and
Yes,
you will have 2k and plus 2k, so that would be plus 4k. So we got what is a plus b and a minus b. Now let us find what is a plus b cross a minus b. Okay, so a cross b, let us find it. So this would be I j k. Okay, got a plus b and a minus b. Okay, let us put that 4, 4 and 0. Okay, and
yes,
2, 0 and 4, right?
yes,
So this I would get as a I into 16, I into 16, right? The other term is 0, right? Minus j into, this would be again 16, right? And you'll have k multiplied into minus 8. So after simplifying it, 16i minus 16j and minus 8k. Right? Get this. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. We got a cross a plus b and a minus b. Okay. So let us find the magnitude of this. So that would be okay, square root of 16 square, 16 square and 8 square. So this would be uh, after simplifying, you'll get as 24. Okay. Now the unit vector you have to find. So the unit vector along this would be 16i minus 16j minus 8k by 24. Okay, so which would result to as 2 by 3 I, 2 by 3 j, and 2 by 3, sorry, 1 by 3k, right, after simplifying it. So let us find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are determined by the vector. Okay, so A cross B, okay, which is I j k 1 minus 1 3 and 2 minus 7 and 1, right? So this would be I multiplied into minus 1 plus 21, right?
Yes, sir.
And minus j. This would be 1 minus 6, right?
Yes, sir.
K will be minus 7 plus 2. So further simplifying it, you get that as 20i, right? And plus 5j and minus 5k, right? Okay, so find the magnitude of this. So which would be square root of 20 square, 5 square,
5.
and 5 square, right? So this would be square root of 400 plus 25 plus 25. So which is 10 root 2. So this will be the area of parallelogram, okay, which is 15 root 2 square units. So that's it. Okay.